Friends, do you also face difficulty in solving math problems? Or are you looking for a website that can help you find solutions to your math questions? Then try AssignmentGPT AI, the solution to your problem. Open Google and search for AssignmentGPT. Once you find it, select Math Problem Solver from the options, enter your math question in the input box and click on Let's Solve to receive a detailed, step-by-step solution and explanation. Fast, simple, and incredibly helpful. Alternatively, you can upload an image of your math question and click on Let's Solve to get an instant breakdown of the problem-solving process. Whether it's basic arithmetic, algebra, calculus, or tricky word problems, AssignmentGPT handles it all with ease. It's just like having a personal math tutor available anytime, anywhere 24/7. Smart, fast, and reliable. Try AssignmentGPT now and make math easier than ever before.